Welcome to What's New Pandora FMS 749. Pandora FMS in CentOS 8. Pandora FMS is constantly evolving, and in this version, for the very first time, packages for the official Pandora FMS update in CentOS 8 are supplied. To learn how to install it step by step, click on the video description. Integrated high availability improvements. For this release, improvements have been implemented in high availability environment settings, achieving a simpler configuration and higher stability in synchronization. Visual enhancements in user management. User management display has been modified, being able to collapse or broaden user permissions when they have more than 6 profiles. Among other highlighting improvements, thresholds can now be updated using new tags through XML. New filters and log views have been added to the console. Availability reports have changed, and you can choose the 24/7 option. A link to the credential store from remote module creation has been added, which enables you to easily access the stored credentials. If you want to learn about all the changes this month in more detail, do not forget to subscribe to our Pandora FMS newsletter. And up to hear what's new in Pandora FMS 749. Thank you very much for following us. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't miss any of our videos by subscribing and activating notifications. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.